Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1974 MGB Roadster. It's finished in tartan red with black trim, bolt-on chrome wire wheels, 4-speed with overdrive transmission, and it's fitted with a supercharger from Moss Motors. So hopefully the output on this car is around 125 to 140 horsepower. It's a pretty lively driving MGB, but very, very nicely restored, this car. So paint and body's really good. Received brand new chrome during its restoration. It's got these meaty bolt-on wire wheel set with really good aggressive Goodyear tires. But yeah, really lovely body and paint on this car overall. We purchased it recently from the state of Wisconsin from a collector who was downsizing his collection. So let me just shut this door here. I'll show you some pretty nice gaps all the way around the car. Windshield's in great shape. That's in really nice condition. Chrome looks great. But yeah, real attractive car. We don't get too many red MGBs, but you know, it's sports car red. It's a really good looking, attractive car, especially with these chrome wires, black interior, very crisp appearing sports car red MGB. So let's take a look at the interior on this car. I just took it for a drive. It drives really well. Interior's in great shape. Dashboard looks fantastic. Gauges are all operating. Runs, drives, shifts, stop, steers. You gotta let the belt warm up to turn the supercharger. But once everything's warmed up, the car really performs well with a grunty exhaust noise. But yeah, seats are in great condition. These look like the original style seats. They've been recovered, I think, but they do look great. They're very comfortable, very supportive. Door seals are new. Door panels look great. This dash, wow, that's the original dashboard. There's no dash cap on that, so that's in beautiful shape. Visors are nice and crisp. Steering wheel's lovely. Like I said, instruments are great. Mileage shows 35,000, but we don't have any documentation on if that's original or not. Carpets are in great condition. Center console, it's got a nice newer modern radio. It's got a little cup holder add-on, which is nice. Armrest. This is the original top boot. That looks in fantastic condition. There's another look at those really flashy faux wire wheels. So on the trunk lid here, we've got a little Supercharged badge. In here, it's all nicely painted, body color. There's a jack. There's the stirrups. This, unbelievably, is the original spare tire. It's the original Dunlop SP. Fitted originally to the car. There's a brand new tonneau cover. Here we have a very nice thick album documenting the restoration, all of the work done, invoices, maintenance, repairs, receipts, all the parts from Moss Motors that were purchased on the car. Bolt-on Dayton wire wheels, very expensive. Engine being rebuilt. And this is recent stuff. This is 2018, so this is all impressive maintenance with the car that's been kept with it forever. Rarely do we get a car in that has all that maintenance history. But yeah, look at that fit on that trunk lid. Fantastic thing. So yeah, let's look under the engine compartment. I'll show you the jewelry under here. So there it is. It's a bolt-on Moss supercharger, and like I said, once warmed, it's quite an impressive boost in horsepower. So really nicely detailed engine compartment, really clean car, red black trim, very nicely done. Everything under here looks new and refreshed and ready to go. So yeah, this car runs and drives wonderfully well. I was just driving it around the streets there. You can see in this previous walk around video. but if you're in the market for a red MGB, this is a fantastic little car. Red with black trim, wire wheels, overdrive, supercharged. Lots of money spent on this, and lots of the work has been recent within the last few years, but cosmetically very crisp. Lovely in this color scheme. And this is an early production 74. I think the build date is late 73, but it's titled as a 74. So it's the final year for the chrome bumpered MGB. Red, black, chrome wire wheels, 4-speed overdrive, supercharged, black top, tonneau, presenting really well. And it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.